That's what's left out of good pound, just over a pound of cheese right there. And that cheese was $7.50 something. Yeah. Okay. The noodles were $2. The sauce was $2, and the hamburger was $7. So we'll just add all that up. Pound and a half of hamburger, lean. Pound of mozzarella. 15 noodles, lasagna noodles. These are the ones you gotta cook in the water. You can get baked ones that you just put in the oven to bake. But you can buy the cheese like this, or you can buy it already shredded. There's one. See, they are coming apart a bit here. I can always grate some more cheese. Okay. One more layer of noodles here. One. Put one on that end. And I'll just add the rest of the sauce to it now. Okay, I grated more cheese. That's what's left out of good pound, just over a pound of cheese right there. Okay, the oven's at 350. I don't think this thing's going to be ready in a half an hour. But anyway, I'll check it in half an hour. I'm sure it's going to take 3/4 to an hour. But anyway, just stick it in there. It's kind of heavy. Okay. Close it up. And if I didn't tell you, this is my first time I made lasagna. So I'll have to see how it turns out. Now I got some dishes to do. Just trying to set up the camera here so I can have a look at the lasagna. That's a half hour in already. Half hour in the oven. Get my gloves on. I want to keep the camera lens away from the heat so it doesn't fog up or anything. Okay, half hour in, let's have a look. That's not browned yet, so keep going. Well, that's 4 layers and 1 hour to cook it. So that's what it looks like. This is going to take longer than I thought, because I got that many noodles left and they won't fit in the pan, so I'll have to boil this batch and then boil the other batch. So maybe the lasagna baked noodles were better, but no stopping now.